fertilizer in a mature oil palm. In fertilizer application in mature oil palm like this, we have 4 principles. 1, the right type of fertilizer, the right amount, the right place, and the right time. I'm having in my hand NPK 10-10-30, which is the right type of fertilizer for oil palm like this. And then I'm going to demonstrate the application, how to apply the fertilizer at the right place. So watch me. I finish application at the right place. I have to apply it at the right time. So this is the rainy season, so I apply it at the right time.
Change that matters.